What's up guys, Top Market Trading here, and today we're going to be talking about why Cathie Woods of Ark Investment is buying Experience Investment Corporation, ticker symbol EXPC. Now EXPC operates under the financial sector, and they are another SPAC looking to merge with Blade Urban Air Mobility. Now this merger deal is going to bring the first publicly traded global air mobility firm to the market. Now, Blade aims to make private jets and helicopter rides more accessible to the public, and also they're trying to imitate Uber's business plan to where they try and create a taxi service for helicopters and airplanes. Now, you guys are probably wondering why this merger means so much. Well, Cathie Woods of Ark Investments and other investors see that the future is heading towards transportation, and having a fleet of helicopter taxis doesn't seem that outrageous now heading into the future. We also know that EXPC is backed by a group called KSL Capital, which is a private equity firm that specializes in leisure and travel. So we know that Ross Aviation is a fixed base operator with 14 airport locations, and KSL owns Ross Aviation. So if KSL owns Ross Aviations and they're also backing up EXPC, which aims to do air travel and leisure, I can see this all tying up together and helping out EXPC share price heading into the future. So if we go ahead and take a look at Ark Investments' current holdings, as of January 15th, they actually have 72,836 shares of EXPC, and I think this is really going to tie into what Ark Investment has planned heading into the future. Just recently, Cathie Woods of Ark Investment released news on their new project, which is aimed towards space exploration, and as we can see here, that also includes suborbital aerospace technologies, which includes drones and aircrafts. Alright guys, if we go back and take a look at EXPC's charts, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a couple of key support and resistance levels that you guys want to be looking for if you guys want to enter this trade. So if we go ahead and take a look at EXPC, we can see that they've been trading around the $10.70 area at the beginning of the year, and they had a pretty nice run up for about 2 weeks to hit that $15 range, and they actually hit a high of $15.50 before finally coming down on Friday and closing out around the $14.13 area. So the first key area of support that we want to be looking at is this $14 area, and as you can see, I drew a support line at this $14 even line, and it's been bouncing off this a couple times. And then the resistance level that we want to be looking for is the $15 area. As you can see, it's been consolidating in this range for the past couple days, and as of right now, it looks like it's about to bounce off the support line again. So if you guys are looking to get in, this would be a nice time to get in and then just ride this up to the 15 for a quick profit. If we go into Tuesday and see the stock open up down, then the new area of resistance that we're going to be looking at is the $14 line, and then the new area of support that we want to be looking at is the $13.45. So anytime it breaks past a support line, that support line is going to become the new resistance. So if Tuesday, if things don't go right, and this does break that support line, then we're going to be looking at this new range of consolidation between the $13.44 area and that 14 resistance line. So guys, with Cathie Woods and Ark Investments backing up EXPC, and also with Ark Investments starting their own space exploration and aerospace drone technologies, I'm really excited to see where EXPC is going to head in the future and how this is all going to tie into what Ark Investment has planned going on into 2021. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go down below, hit the thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments where you guys think EXPC is heading into the future. And like I said earlier guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But if you guys want to see more stock videos just like this, make sure you guys go down below, click my channel, hit the subscribe button, and on that note, I'll catch you in the next one.